Abracadabra on a nigga. Expecto Patronum on a nigga. What? If Malphite gon' run up on me, then I'ma put my one to the nigga. Ayy. Brown in the back, Hermaline on the sack. Y'all motherfuckers don't know how to act. Voldemort, they got shit on me. Say hell, Gryffindor, and fuck Slytherin. Run on your ass with Sirius Black. Disappear for a minute, then be right back. Professor Snape wanna make a portion. You ashy as fuck, you better get some lotion. Put a spell on a nigga, then I dab on a nigga. Call Voldemort, then I fuck on a nigga.